All right, everyone, I'm sure you're asking, or at least questioning or thinking, well, Harlan, why is the vinyl flooring running all the way to the fireplace? Doesn't it get hot? Well, I didn't have a choice because this is what Lisa wanted. So this is what we have. But we did do our due diligence as far as testing. As I kind of talked about previously as we were looking at some of this tile and the longevity of that paint holding on, what areas of this got hot and how hot did it get? And really, up here, most of the heat is rising anyway, so most of the heat is going to be up here. But down here in front, it didn't really get that hot. It would get warm, but it wasn't hot. With the vinyl, even though it is vinyl and under temperatures it can kind of get softer, we ran some tests. We put this vinyl up in front of it before we laid it down, and we turned on the fireplace and let it run for several hours and just see what would happen. And nothing did. The vinyl was fine and everything was pretty kosher in that respect. If this becomes an issue, we can always put a hearth here, and what I would end up doing is just getting a piece of powder coated sheet metal. You can make any kind of shape here along the side just to kind of help with it like that to keep sparks from coming out. Obviously this is a gas fireplace with a glass front and we don't have to worry about sparks, but if heat is ever an issue, it can certainly be resolved. But anyway, as far as that question, that's why it is the way it is.